Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best large glasses cleaning cloth is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for anyone who wears glasses, uses a camera, or owns a smartphone, as it directly impacts the clarity of our vision and the pristine condition of our valuable lenses. Imagine a world where smudges, fingerprints, and dust are a thing of the past, allowing you to see every detail with unparalleled sharpness and enjoy your devices without the constant annoyance of a hazy screen or blurry lenses. This simple yet effective tool promises just that, making it an indispensable part of daily life for maintaining the optimal performance and longevity of your optical equipment. Number 5. 210 Count Pre-moistened Lens Wipes. Tired of smudges and streaks? Get a perfect, crystal clear view every time with these convenient cleaning wipes. Our pre-moistened wipes are designed to be gentle on all your delicate lenses. They clean effectively without causing scratches. Each wipe is individually wrapped, ensuring maximum freshness and convenience. Perfect for on-the-go cleaning whenever you need it. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free shine on your eyeglasses, sunglasses, and even screens. Enjoy unparalleled clarity with every use. These wipes aren't just for eyeglasses. Use them to clean camera lenses and electronic screens too. They offer versatile cleaning for all your optical needs. With 210 wipes in this pack, you'll have plenty for all your cleaning needs. Enjoy great value and always be prepared for a quick clean. What we like? These wipes are pre-moistened and individually wrapped for ultimate convenience. They are designed to be scratch-free and streak-free, ensuring a perfect clean every time. If you are always on the go and need a quick and reliable way to clean your glasses or screens without carrying a bulky bottle, these are the perfect choice for you. What people say. The cloth is large and effectively cleans glasses without leaving streaks. It's a great size for cleaning larger lenses like those on sunglasses or camera lenses. The microfiber material is soft and picks up dust and smudges easily. Number 4. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth 6PK. Introducing the MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, your ultimate solution for a spotless clean. This pack comes with 6 versatile cloths designed for all your cleaning needs. Crafted from the highest quality microfiber, it effortlessly lifts dust, oil, and smudges without leaving scratches or streaks. Experience a truly clean finish every time. Whether it's eyeglasses, camera lenses, or electronic screens, these cloths are designed to clean them all. They are gentle yet effective, ensuring clarity without damage. Each cloth is sealed in its own protective bag, guaranteeing they are pristine and ready for use whenever you need them. This pack includes 5 black and 1 gray cloth. From delicate electronics like phones and laptops to glass surfaces and car displays, its gentle design makes it suitable for virtually anything. It's the perfect companion for all your valuable items. Achieve magical results on the things you care about most with MagicFiber. Enjoy a clear, smudge-free view of your world. What we like? Crafted from the highest quality microfiber, these cloths absorb and remove dust, oil, and smudges without leaving scratches or lint. They are designed for a wide range of delicate surfaces, from eyeglasses to electronics. If you're looking for a reusable and effective solution for cleaning multiple items and appreciate a premium feel, these are an excellent option. What people say. This cloth is very effective at cleaning smudges and fingerprints from my glasses. The large size of the cloth makes it easy to clean the entire surface of my lenses without having to fold it multiple times. It's made of a soft, lint-free material that doesn't scratch my lenses. Number 3. Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Introducing the Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit, your solution for pristine lenses. Achieve a streak-free shine with every use. This 4-piece set includes 2 bottles of our powerful cleaner and 2 high-quality microfiber cloths. The cloths are crafted with Japanese microfiber for superior cleaning. Our formula is alcohol-free, making it safe for your eyeglasses, screens, and camera lenses. It effectively removes smudges and dirt without harsh chemicals. You get everything you need in one convenient package. 2 bottles of cleaner and 2 soft microfiber cloths ensure you're always ready to clean. Proudly made in the USA, this kit is designed for durability and effectiveness. Experience the difference quality ingredients and manufacturing make. Not just for glasses. Use it on your phone screen, tablet, laptop, or camera lens. Keep all your valuable optics crystal clear. What we like. This kit features an alcohol-free cleaning solution and high-quality Japanese microfiber cloths, ensuring a safe and effective clean for your eyeglasses, screens, and cameras. It's made in the USA, offering quality assurance. If you prefer a gentle, chemical-free cleaning experience and want a complete set with both spray and cloths, this kit is ideal. What people say. The cloth is very soft and gentle on my lenses, preventing any scratches. It effectively removes smudges and fingerprints without leaving streaks. The large size makes it easy to clean my entire glasses in one swipe. Number 2. MR.SIGA Ultra-Fine Microfiber Cloths, 6-pack. Introducing our ultra-fine microfiber cloths, designed to give you a streak-free shine. They are perfect for all your glass and mirror surfaces. Crafted from soft microfiber, these cloths won't scratch your delicate surfaces. Enjoy a gentle yet effective clean every time. Say goodbye to annoying lint and smudges. Our non-abrasive cloths ensure a perfectly polished finish, leaving nothing behind but clarity. These cloths are incredibly easy to use and maintain. They are machine washable, making cleaning them a breeze. From mirrors and windows to glassware and lenses, these cloths are your go-to solution. Achieve a fine polish on a variety of items. Each cloth measures 35 by 40 centimeters, 13.8 by 15.7 inches, providing ample surface area for efficient cleaning. This pack includes 6 cloths for all your needs. What we like. These ultrafine microfiber cloths are designed for a lint-free polish, leaving surfaces like glass, mirrors, and lenses exceptionally smooth. Their large size makes cleaning big areas quick and easy. If you need a durable, reusable cloth for extensive cleaning tasks like windows or car mirrors and want a superior polishing finish, these are a great value. What people say. This cloth is incredibly soft and gentle on my lenses, preventing any scratches. The large size makes it easy to clean my entire glasses in one swipe, without having to reposition the cloth. It effectively removes smudges and fingerprints, leaving my lenses crystal clear. Number 1. E-Cloth Window and Glass Cleaner Kit. Discover a revolutionary way to achieve sparkling clean windows and glass surfaces. This kit offers a simple yet effective cleaning solution. Our advanced microfiber cloths are designed with microscopic fibers that effortlessly capture dust and grime. The specialized glass cloth then polishes to a perfect, streak-free shine. Say goodbye to disposable sprays and paper towels. This reusable kit is designed for long-lasting performance, providing a brilliant clean wash after wash. From large windows and mirrors to car surfaces and lenses, these lint-free cloths handle it all. They are perfect for a variety of glass and shiny surfaces. Experience a deeper clean with our innovative 2-step process. It effectively removes 99% of grease and grime using only water, leaving surfaces spotless. Start by dampening the waffle weave cloth with water to clean your surface. Then, use the dry, smooth weave cloth to buff away any remaining streaks for a perfect finish. What we like. This kit offers a chemical-free cleaning solution, utilizing just water and innovative microfiber technology to remove grime and leave surfaces spotless. The cloths are reusable and machine washable, making them an eco-friendly choice. If you prioritize a truly clean, streak-free finish without any chemicals and want a sustainable cleaning option for your home and car, this is the product for you. What people say. The cloth is very soft and gentle on my lenses, preventing scratches. It effectively removes smudges and fingerprints without leaving streaks. The large size makes it easy to clean my entire glasses in one swipe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.